back. This is buy now, sell now. Markets looking very strong. In fact, fourth consecutive days of gains coming in for that one. 6-month high is where we are perched at on the Nifty. But let's talk a bit more about the markets and bring on board our next set of technical experts. We have with us Sameet, Chavan as well as Manas Jaiswal joining us on the show. Hi gentlemen, welcome to Buy Now Sell Now. Sameet, over to you first. And like I was just flagging off, we are perched at a 6-month high and it's the fourth consecutive day of gains. Do you think that we could see 9,000 as well taken very soon?
Good morning to both of you. Yes, in fact, we have been maintaining our optimistic stance on the market ever since Nifty confirmed its close beyond 8180 on a closing basis during the month of December. Since then, we have been witnessing very strong uptrend, and it's on the verge of now breaking its 52-week high. In fact, we expect Nifty to see all-time high quite soon. So we are quite optimistic. Any dip is a good buying opportunity, and the important thing is base is now getting shifted higher. Earlier it was around 8300, 8350. From there it went up to 8550, and now it is around 8700, 8800. So clearly any dip is getting bought into, and we are in a strong uptrend. Thus we would maintain our optimistic stance, and hence we have three long recommendations. First one would be on PNB. We have been quite optimistic on private banking stocks of late. Axis Bank, Karnataka Bank were our preferred picks, but we now believe that we would see some catch-up rally in PSU banking counters. So among this, PNB would be our preferred pick, which has already completed its corrective move, and it has already formed a base around 140 and is poised to give a decent up move. So we would maintain our positive stance on PNB. One can buy with a stop loss of 139. Near-term target would be around 155. Second buy would be on Jubilant FoodWorks. Of late, we have already seen a good rally, vertical rally in this particular stock. This was followed by some consolidation since last 2.5-3 weeks, and is now attempting to move higher. So we would interpret this as a technical breakout. It is already surpassing its 200-day moving average, which is placed around 1024. So we would maintain our positive bias on Jubilant Food. It can be bought for a target of 1100 and stop loss would be around 990. Our third buy would be on Siemens. Of late, we have witnessed some consolidation in the stock, but if we consider the weekly chart structure, it is quite encouraging and is now poised for a decent up move. Thus, we expect Siemens to climb towards 1290, which would be a near-term target. One can keep a stop below 1190 on a closing basis.
Manas, let's get in your top trading calls going. What exactly has caught your eye?
Three buy recommendations. First is Karnataka Bank, where stock was facing some resistance near to 125 for last 2-3 weeks, but now today it broke that resistance with higher volume. So I am expecting further up move in Karnataka Bank. The stock can test 132. So here one can take a long call, keep the stop loss below 123. Second call is a buy call on Reliance Power, because most of the Reliance stocks are looking strong today. Reliance Power has witnessed good buying interest at lower levels in last 3-4 trading sessions, and today it broke its 200-day moving average. So now possibility is high that stock can break its previous high of 47, and it can test 49. So 49 is our target. One can buy it with a stop loss of 45. And last one is a buy call on CET, because after 3 days correction, stock took support near the 200-day moving average, witnessed good buying interest at lower levels. So possibly we may see further recovery in CET. Stock can test its 50-day moving average now, which is placed near to 1175. So one can take a long call here and keep the stop loss below 1115.
Those are top technical calls coming in on the equity side of the market. Thanks a lot, Sameet, as well as Manas, for joining us. Let's just shift focus then and talk about commodities. And we have with us Manoj K. Jain. He's the President of Commodity and Forex Business at India Nivesh Commodities. Hi, Manoj. Good morning. And firstly, take us through your strategy on